Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I Dr. Ina Zafar. Today we will explain isomerism in coordination compounds. Isomerism. Isomerism is the phenomena in which more than one coordination compounds having the same molecular formula have different physical and chemical properties due to different arrangement of ligands around central metal atom. Now isomerism is classified into two different groups. Structural isomerism and second is stereo isomerism. Okay. And structural isomerism further classified into four subgroups are structural isomerism classified into subgroups linkage isomerism, second is coordination isomerism, third is ionization isomerism, and fourth is solvate isomerism. Okay. Structural isomerism classified into four groups: linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism, and ionization isomerism, and fourth is solvate isomerism. And now structural isomerism further classified into subgroups are optical isomerism, and second is geometrical isomerism. Okay. Linkage isomerism. In this type of linkage isomerism in coordination compound, when ambidentate ligands attach the central metal atom and form coordination complexes. Now example of linkage isomerism. CO NH3 5 NO2, and other isomer for this isomerism CO NH3 5 O NO. Yellow color complex, and this is a red color complex. When the nitrogen atom bind with cobalt is known as nitrito N complex, and this is a nitrito O complex in coordination compounds. and this is the isomer of linkage isomerism. And now coordination isomerism. This type of isomerism arises from the interchanges of ligand between cationic and anionic coordination sphere of different metal ion present in a complex. Example: CO, NH3, 6, Cr, Cn, 6. Other isomer of this complex: Cr, NH3, 6, and CO, Cn, 6. But interchanging of cationic complex. In this complex, ammonia ligands, NH3 ligands are bound with CO, and Cn ligands are bind with Cr3 plus ion. And here is ammonia ligands are bound with Cr3 plus ion, and Cn bound with CO3 plus ion. These are isomer of coordination isomerism. Ionization isomerism. This type of isomer arises when an ionizable counter ion or simple ion itself can act as a ligand. The exchange of such counter ion with one or more ligands in the coordination sphere will result in ionization isomerism. This isomer will give different ion in solution. Example of ionization isomerism: Pt En 4 twice Cl2 Br2. This is the counter ion, and when exchange this and this form. Other isomer for ionizable isomerism: isomer Pt En 4 twice Br2 and Cl2 is counter ion. Br2 in sphere. This is a sphere of coordination sphere, and this is a counter ion. And in this isomer, give Br minus give in solution, and Cl in this complex, Cl minus ion gives Cl minus ion. In this complex, Cl minus gives in solution. Solvate isomerism, also known as hydrate isomerism. This is similar to ionization isomerism. The exchange of free solvent molecules such as water, ammonia and alcohol, etc. in the crystal lattice with a ligand in other coordination sphere will give different isomers. This type of isomer are called solvate isomers. And now example of solvate isomerism: CrCl3 6H2O gives 3 isomers. CrH2O 6 Cl3 and other CrH2O 5 Cl2 and H2O. Other isomer: CrH2O 4 Cl2 and Cl2H2O. And now color: violet, green and dark green. Complete your structure isomerism and we will start stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism, optical and geometric. Optical isomers are mirror image that cannot be superimposed on one another. These are called as enantiomers. Example of optical isomerism. This is example of optical isomerism. Two types of isomers form in mirror image, dextro and LIGO form. This is a bidentate ligand attached with cobalt 3+ ion. This type of isomerism arises in heteroleptic complexes due to different geometric arrangement of the ligand. Example of geometrical isomerism: PT, NH3, NH3, Cl, Cl. And other example: PT, Cl, Cl, NH3. This is a cis form and trans form. The ligands are adjacent to each other to form cis. And when the ligands are opposite to each other, form trans. Other example of geometrical isomerism: CONH3 4Cl2. Structure of this complex: Cl, Cl, NH3, 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 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 NH3 and 2 Cl. This is a cis form. When the ligands are adjacent each other, this by the coordinate bond in coordination sphere of coordination compounds. And now other isomer: CO, Cl, okay, and NH3 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 NH3 Cl2. This is a trans form of isomer for geometrical isomerism. This is a trans form and example of geometrical isomerism. Isomerism shown in quotation number 4 and 6. Other example of geometrical isomerism: CO, Cl2, Pl, 4 twice. Two isomers, cis and trans isomer, like this: Cl, Cl, En, En. Okay. This is a cis form and other is Cl, Cl, En, En. यहाँ पर En का मीन्स है कि डाइडेंटेट और बाइडेंटेट लिगेंड अटैच विद सेंट्रल मेटल एटम. Trans form.